When Pope Francis first stepped out onto the balcony of St. Peter's at his election in 2013, he humbly asked the faithful gathered in the square to pray for him. He would often end his encounters with, "Don't forget to pray for me." Tonight, we respond yet again. For Francis was aware that to steer the bark of Peter and his own soul, he would need to rely not only on his own efforts, but above all on the grace of God, generously poured out through the prayers of the Church. It's still too soon to assess the legacy of Pope Francis, his gestures of humility, his provocations of new thinking and practice, his emphasis on those at the peripheries, his reimagining synodality as listening, co-responsibility and discerning together. Some of his moves occasioned both excitement and alarm. They both united people and divided. Some of what he did will be forgotten. Some of this will last. Eternal rest grant unto Pope Francis, O Lord, and may perpetual light shine upon him. May he rest in peace and rise in glory.